Welcome back to TechMan. Today, we will show you how you can export transparent video in After Effects. First, let's open the file you want to export. As you can see here, I have a video that I just deleted the green screen background. Now to export this one, head to the composition on the top and select Add to Render Queue. After that, go to Render Settings over here. On the quality, select Best and Full on Resolution. Then hit OK once done. Now go to Output module. Over here, select QuickTime for format. Then on this video section, change this channel to alpha. Then head over to Format Options on the right. Over here, select Animation. We will go back again to Channels and select RGB plus alpha. Click OK once done. Then lastly, head to Output 2 and select your path, and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.